Let's play Angels We Have Heard on High. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for a full bar is gonna be a both, right, right, right. For a half bar is gonna be a both, right. Now let's play part 1. Ready, slowly, C chord, go. Angels we have half a bar G. Heard on half a bar C. High, 1 bar C. Sweetly singing, half a bar G. Older, half a bar C. Plains, C chord again. And the mountains, half a bar G. Eerie, half a bar C. Fly, 1 bar C. Echoing there, half a bar G. Joyous, half a bar C. Strings. Let's play this part smoothly. Ready, C chord, go. C,
Angels we
half a bar G, half a bar C. C again, half a bar G, half a bar C. Third line, C again, half a bar G, half a bar C. And C, half a bar G, half a bar C. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Let's play chorus. Slowly, ready, half a bar C. Glow, half a bar A. Half a bar D minor, half a bar G, half a bar C, half a bar F, 1 bar G. Gloria, half a bar C. In X, half a bar F. Celsius, half a bar C. Day, half a bar G. Yo. Let's play chorus smoothly. Ready? Half a bar C and go. Half a bar A, half a bar D minor, half a bar G, half a bar C, half a bar F, 1 bar G. Half a bar C, half a bar F, half a bar C, half a bar G. Let's play the next 2 lines of chorus. Still half bar of C. Glow, half a bar A. Oh, half a bar D minor. Yeah, half a bar G, half a bar C, half a bar F, 1 bar G. Gloria. Half a bar C. In X, half a bar F. Celsius, half a bar C. Day, half a bar G. A, 1 bar C. Yo. Let's play the next 2 lines smoothly. Ready? Half a bar C chord, go. Half C, half a bar A, half a bar D minor, half a bar to G, half a bar C, half a bar F, 1 bar G. Half a bar C, half a bar F, half a bar C, half a bar G, back to C. C again. Let's play the full song. Ready, smoothly, and we go. C, half a bar G, half a bar C. C, half a bar G, half a bar C. C, half a bar G, half a bar C. C, half a bar G, half a bar C. Chorus, half a bar C, half a bar A, half a bar D minor, half a bar G, half a bar C, half a bar F, go to G. Half a bar C, half a bar F, half a bar C, half a bar G. Again, chorus, half a bar C, half a bar A, half a bar D minor, half a bar G, half a bar C, half a bar F, go to G. Last line, half a bar C, half a bar F, half a bar C, half a bar G, back to C, and on C. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.